TIG welder cart. Here we go. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got a little unboxing video. I picked up this welding cart from Harbor Freight for $39.99 minus 20% off, so after tax was about $34. The item number is 69340. It's a little welding cart, holds up to about 100 pounds. I actually have another one of these carts that the MIG welder's been sitting on for the past 10 years. So once we assemble this, which we're going to do right now, we're going to assemble this, throw it together real quick. I'll give you an overview of what it looks like assembled. Then we're going to compare the old one to the new one, see what's different, if anything's different. So let's get to it. A 10mm and a Phillips head screwdriver. Extra parts. So here's the fully assembled cart. It rolls around really nice. So the TIG welder will actually sit right up here on the top. I'll be able to put the helmet and gloves and stuff down below. Consumables are actually going to have to make another stand for those, as they are a filler rod and stuff. But the tungsten and stuff can fit down there on the shelf, that's fine. Tungsten grinder if I have one. So right now I'm going to show you what the original welding cart from Harbor Freight looks like. It's about 10 years old that my MIG is actually sitting on. We're going to compare them side by side. Alright, here are the two carts side by side. The one on the left that's in blue is actually about 10 years old from Harbor Freight. That's what my MIG is sitting on right now. This is the new one. As you can see, they're pretty much identical. The hubs on the rear tires of the new one are plastic, and the wheels on the back of the older one are metal, and a little bit bigger wheel. Other than that, this one's black, this one's blue. They are pretty much identical as far as the same size. Everything looks the same. So really the only thing difference is the color and the rear wheels. Everything else is pretty much the same. Alright everyone, that's going to be a wrap for this video. The welding cart has been completely unboxed, assembled. Everything looks great on it. We compared it to the old 10-year-old welding cart from Harbor Freight. Pretty much identical other than the color and the rear wheels. Other than that, identical carts from 10 years ago, and for $34, can't complain at all. So please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification icon down below so you know when future videos do come out. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.